suffered from mental health issues, and I've been interested in finding out more about my mental health issues and how they affect me, and how I can best have a high quality of life living with my mental health issues. So I started looking into it and seeing modern research into the link between smoking and mental health. It became obvious that there wasn't a benefit to smoking, and in fact it was one of the major factors of the reason why people with mental health issues had a shorter life than the general population. So when I started looking into this, and I found out, for instance, that when you smoked, some of the medications used to help people with mental health issues were actually stopped from working so effectively. So you needed a higher dose of a medication to get the same effect if you smoked. And this means when you were getting a higher dose of the medication, because they're quite powerful medications, the side effects were more severe. So not only were you having the normal physical health difficulties with smoking, you were also preventing the medicines that you were provided with being effective for you. So this sort of motivated me to stop smoking. And I'd tried before, but now I had a real motivation to do this. I could see that the evidence was overwhelming. For the first 3 days really, it was very, very difficult to stop smoking. I was craving a cigarette, I wanted a cigarette, and I was thinking about smoking a lot. But my friends and people around me gave me a lot of support because I'd talked to them about why I wanted to stop. They knew it was important to me, they encouraged me, and I got through that first 3 days without having a cigarette. And every day, every hour really, was a massive reward because I smoked quite a lot. And then after that 3 days, the craving disappeared. But I found myself wanting to smoke because I enjoyed smoking. And I think this was quite a difficult time for me. With the support of the people that were helping me, I managed not to have a cigarette at that time. Well, I think that the main thing is to become firmly assured that you want to stop smoking, and then to have friends who don't smoke, because one of the greatest things about carrying on smoking is it's a sociable thing to do. You hand your cigarettes round and it breaks the ice. People take a cigarette and you feel that you are being generous and that you are being sociable. Since stopping smoking, I do get a bit more exercise. And I'm not a young person anymore, but I do go out walking and I ride my bike during the summer. And I find that I'm less breathless, and so I'm feeling physical benefits, and I'm certainly feeling financial benefits of stopping smoking. And also from the point of view of my medications for my mental health issues, I'm reducing them in consultation with my prescriber, and so I feel like my mental health and my physical health is the best it's ever been, and I feel healthy mentally, healthy physically, and I'm glad I stopped smoking, and I can't say that I'll ever start again.